Let's beat the heat on these hot summer days and create a cool design together. Let's go! First, we need some base coat and base powder to protect the nail from discoloration. Especially for thin nails, I recommend not skipping this step to strengthen the nail at the same time. Next, we apply a base coat again to the nail and use our first color, vitamin C. For an optimal blue tone, we repeat the process and dip the nail again in the color vitamin C. As an intermediate step, I applied the activator to prevent the colors of the design from mixing afterwards. Now we apply some base coat in an S shape on half of the nail and gently sprinkle it with the color Happy Halloween. Lightly tap off the excess and then apply the activator. With a buffer, we can lightly file the edges and smooth the surface. Finally, we apply the activator again and seal all nails with 2 coats of top coat. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let us know in the comments how you prefer to cool down in the summer. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out!